Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete search history on Google Maps Android. So let's start. First of all, you have to open your Google Maps, and in the search bar you just see your profile picture in the top right corner. So simply click on that and then click on settings. And in this section you just simply click on map history and just wait for a while, it's loading. And after it's loading, you just select auto delete or manual delete. If you want to delete so simply click on auto delete and select the months. You can select 3 months, 18 months or 36 months, then simply click on next. And if you want to delete manually, so here in the search option you just see in front of that you see the delete option, so simply click on that. And here you see the option of delete today, delete custom range, delete all time, or auto delete option as well. So now you will be able to delete search history on Google Maps Android. So I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.